Sasha Tanoushka here, founder of Verus Systems Therapy. Here's what happens when you book yourself in for a brain map with us at Verus Systems Therapy. It's a 45-minute session. Your mapping will consist of 2 tests that in themselves take no more than 20 minutes. But there's a little bit of setup involved to get you ready for your brain map. Step 1. The neurointegrator is a small piece of equipment with software built in that is actually responsible for doing what we do here at Verus Systems Therapy, the neurofeedback training. But we also use a neurointegrator to map the brain. We can't train your brain until we have the brain scan done. So to do that, we put what looks like a swim cap on your head and connect the other end of it to the neurointegrator. What we're actually doing is a QEEG brain scan of the activity in your brain. So we're looking at the beta, theta, delta, and alpha brainwave activity that occurs in the cortex of the brain. It's safe to use, there's no injections and there's no electrocution involved whatsoever. It's safe to use on a child as young as 5, in fact. Step 2, we need to cross the barrier and complete the circuit, as it were, between the neurointegrator and the circuitry in your brain. There's a lot of power being put out by your brain, and we want to read that. That's what we're actually doing by mapping your brain. We're mapping the power of your brain. The various waves that we're mapping will be running at different frequencies. So to cross over between the neurointegrator and your brain, even though you've got the cap on, we need to make contact. And we do that by using the water-soluble electrogel. We squirt the electrogel through the cap using a pipette across the different regions of your scalp. What we also do is place 2 electrodes on each of your earlobes so that you are fully connected to the neurointegrator. And that helps us map the different regions of the brain. Step 3. So this is a 2-stage process. Firstly, with your eyes closed, we map your brain for somewhere between 6 and 8 minutes. We then repeat the process with your eyes open for about another 8 minutes or so to see your brain activity with you focused on a focal point on the wall. Step 4, we'll be able to see from your results where brain waves are overactivated in certain regions of the brain. We'll also be able to map where brain waves are underactivated. These results comprise of the mapping of the dominance, frequency, and magnitude of your brain waves. You'll also be asked to complete 3 online tests that are basically going to assess your perspective on how you do things, emotionally and cognitively. We'll also look at your physiology as well, so a general online test on gut health. All this information is fed into our ClearMind system and computed along with your brain map results. This then provides the system with your unique brain map results so that a unique brain training program can be customized for you.